Hi students, today we can study minors and cofactors. What is minor? Then through one example we can study that A equal to one matrix A 1 1, A 1 2, A 2 1, A 2 2. This is one 2 by 2 matrix. Then we have to find out minor of A11. How can find out minor of A11? Minor of A11 will represent M11. That means minor. This one, first one representing first row, then second one representing first column. First row, first column, and then just leave it first column and first row. Then which term is remaining? A22. Determinant A22. Then this will be direct A22. Then when you find out minor of any element, then that row and that corresponding column just delete. Then remaining number, maybe this 2 by 2 matrix. If you take 3 by 3 matrix means 4 numbers will come in here. Okay, then take determinant of that numbers. Then another one, minor of, then we can take A21. We can write minor M21 equal to a determinant of M21. Look, this second row and first column. Delete. Then what is remaining? A21. Sorry, A12. Then this is minor of A21. Then now we can check 3 by 3 matrix. A equal to matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. In case we want to find out minor of this second term, n term, okay, we can take minor of A12. We have to find out minor of this element. Take determinant of A12. We can write this M12 equal to, leave it second, first row and second column. Look, 1, that means first row, then 2 means second column. Just delete that 2, then remaining A21, A23, then A31, then A33. Then you can expand directly, then you will get one answer. That is minor of this 1, 2. Nothing. When you take minor of any element, the element consisting a row and column, just delete, then remaining number, maybe 4 or 1 number. Okay, then take determinant of remaining numbers. That time you will get minor. Then again we can check previous example A11, A12, A21, A22. Minor of A11 equal to determinant of, just leave it this 2, then A22. Answer is A22, that element. Then from here we can find out cofactor. Minor means M11, we can write cofactor of A11. How can find out cofactor of A11 means? Very easy. -1 all raised to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Minus 1 always common. Minus 1 all raised to this 1 1. 1 plus 1. That m 1 1 equal to. In this case we can write minus 1. 1 plus 1 2 m11. What we got? M11, that is A22. Then minus 1 all square, that is plus 1, isn't it? Now we got cofactor of A11 is A22. Like that means, how can find out cofactor of Aij? Cofactor of Aij. There, one more thing. Cofactor we will represent capital letter A. Cofactor will represent by capital letter A. Then Ij equal to common minus 1 all raised to I plus j. I plus j. Then minor of this element I. This is the formula for find out cofactor. Now we can do next exercise. That time that will be more clear. Now we can see exercise 4.4. Write minors and cofactors of the elements of following determinant. In here, some questions they are given. We have to find out minors and cofactors of this determinant. Then, first, minor of first element, that is 2. Minor of 2, we can write m. This 2 in first row and first column. M11, isn't it? Then, when you consider this 2, that column and row, just delete, then remaining only 3. We can write determinant of 3 equal to 3. This is not modulus, that is determinant. Then directly we can write cofactor also. For cofactor of 2. Cofactor means A11, capital letter A we will use. Then minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1. Then already we got M11. How much is that? That is 3, isn't it? We can write into 3 equal to minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1. That is minus 1 all square. Minus 1 into minus 1. That will be plus 1. Then remaining only 3. That is cofactor of 2 is, we got answer 3. Next, minor of next number, that is minus 4. Minor of minus 4, that is m. This minus 4 means first row and second column equal to determinant. Leave it, this first row and second column. What is remaining? Only 0, isn't it? We can write determinant of 0 equal to 0. Then cofactor also we can find out. Cofactor of this minus 4. A12 equal to minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 2. Then we got one minor, that is 0 into 0 equal to minus 1 all cube, that is minus 1, isn't it? Then minus 1 into 0 you will get 0. Answer is 0. Then next, minor of, you can find out 0. That is M2 means second row and first column. M21 we can write determinant of this second row and first column, just leave it, then remaining only minus 4. Minus 4. Then determinant of minus 4 is minus 4. Keep in mind this is not modulus, this is determinant. Don't think this is modulus, don't write plus 4. Okay. Then cofactor. Cofactor of 0, that is A21 equal to minus 1, 2 plus 1. Then what we got? Minus, that is minus 4. How much you will get? Minus 1 all cube, that is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That will be minus 1, isn't it? Then minus 1 into minus 4, you will get answer 4. Then next, minor of next number is 3. That is M second row and second column. M22 equal to determinant. Just leave it. That's 2. Then what is remaining? Only 2. Determinant of 2 equal to 2. Then cofactor of 3, you can write A22 equal to minus 1 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Then minor already got it, that is 2. Equal to minus 1, 2 plus 2, that is 4. Then minus 1 all raised to 4 will be plus 1, isn't it? Then plus 1 into 2 will get 2. We got answer 2. Now, question number 1, Roman number 2. In here also we have to find out minor and cofactors. Then first M11, that is minor of first column and first row, that is this number A, isn't it? Then first row and first column delete, then remaining determinant of T will get T. Then cofactor of first row and first column, that element, that is also A, we can write minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1. Then D already got it, that is minor. Minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 all square. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, then D. Next, M12. First row, second column. First row, second column, this C. Okay. Then what you will get? If you consider C means first row and second column, just delete, then remaining B. Then here A12, we can write minus 1, 1 plus 2, then minor already got it, that is B, equal to minus 1 all cube, that will be minus 1 into B minus B. The next M21. M21 means this number, second row and first column. Determinant, just leave it, second row and first column, remaining C. Determinant of C. Answer is C. A21, we can write minus 1 all raised to 2 plus 1. Then minor already got it, that is C. What will get? Minus 1 all cube, that is minus 1, minus C will get. M plus 2. Determinant of, just leave it this 2, then A remaining. That will be A. A22 minus 1, 2 plus 2, then minor is A. Answer A. Then we got all minors and cofactors, isn't it? Now we can see question number 2, Roman number 1. In here also write minors and cofactors. We have to write all minors and cofactors. Then you can start first M11 equal to, this minors, M11 equal to, then first row and first column leave it, then take determinant of remaining numbers, that is 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 1. When you take M11, this first row and first column, just delete. Then remaining 1, 0, 0, 1. Take determinant equal to 1 into 1 will get 1 minus then 0 into 0, 0 equal to 1. Then A11 equal to minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1. Then already we got it minor, that is 1 equal to what you will get minus 1 all square, that is minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1 will get 1. Next M21, that is we can write M12. First row, second column, this number. First row, second column. This first row and second column just leave it, then remaining 0, 0 and 0, then 0, 1 equal to 0 into 1, 0 minus 0 into 0, 0. Get answer 0. Then A12 equal to minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 2. Then minor already got it, there is 0. Answer will be 0. Multiple by 0 means automatically that will be 0. The next M13. That means first row, third column. 0, 1, 0, 0. What will get 0 into 0, 0 minus 0 into 1, 0. We'll get answer 0. Then cofactor A13 equal to minus 1, 1 plus 3. Then minor already got it, that is 0, isn't it? So it will be 0. Multiple by 0. Then next M21. Second row and first column. Leave it second row and first column, then remaining 0, 0 and 0, 1. You'll get 0 into 1, 0 minus 0 into 0, 0. Then A21 we can write minus 1, 2 plus 1, then minor already got it, that is 0. Answer will be 0. Then next M21, this one finished. Then take next number, that is second row and second column, 2, 2. Determinant, leave it the second row and second column, then remaining 1, 0, here 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1 minus 0 into 0, 0. Okay. Answer 1. Then cofactor A22 equal to minus 1, 2 plus 2 into minor already got it, that is 1. Minus 1 all raised to 4, that is plus 1, isn't it? Then 1 into 1 you will get 1. M23. M23 means this number. Okay. Leave it third column and second row. Then remaining 1, 0, 0, 0. Just to leave it, then 1, 0, 0, 0. You will get 1 into 0, 0 minus 0 into 0, 0. And find out cofactor of 2, 3. Minus 1, 2 plus 3 into minor already got it, that is 0. Answer will be 0. The next M31. M31 is determinant of this number, third row and first column. Leave it, then 0, 0, 1, 0. Multiple 0 into 0, you will get 0, 1 into 0, 0. Then A31, you can write minus 1, 3 plus 1 into minor, minus is 0. Answer will be 0. A32. A32 means this. Third row and second column. third row and second column just delete, then remaining 1 0 0 0. We will get 1 into 0 0 minus 0 into 0 0. Answer will be 0. Then A32 minus 1 3 plus 2 into 0. We get answer 0. Then last M33, that means third row, third column, that is this number. Then remaining determinant 1 0 0 1. Multiple 1 into 1, 1 minus 0 into 0, 0. We will get 1. Then A33 we will get minus 1, 3 plus 3 into this 1 minor. Then 3 plus 3, 6. Minus 1 all raised to 6. 6 means that is even number, we will get plus 1. Plus 1 into 1. Now we got all minors and all cofactors. How many minors we got? 9, isn't it? Because 9 elements is there. You will get 9 minors, then 9 cofactors. Then Roman number 2 you can do as a homework. Very easy, same method you can use. Now we can do question number 3. Using factors of elements of second row, evaluate delta equal to determinant 5 3 8 2 0 1 1 2 3. Then we have to expand this given determinant, then we will find out value. Then not direct expansion. We will use cofactors in here. Now we can see question number 3. Using cofactors of elements of second row, evaluate delta, one determinant given. We have to find out a determinant value. One condition is there, we have to use cofactors and second row. Using by second row and cofactors, we can find out determinant of given determinant. Then how can do? Delta equal to, we will use second row, isn't it? Already mentioned second row. That's why this 2. This is, we can write A second row first element. Second row first element. Then A 2 1. That is cofactor of this 2 1 plus A this element. Which one? Second row second column. A 2 2. Then cofactor of A 2 2 plus A second row third column. A 2 3 cofactor of A 2 3. Second row third column A 2 3. Then A 2 1. What is A 2 1? That is 2. Then cofactor find out minus 1 2 plus 1 into minor. How can find out minor of this number? Second row and first column just leave it. Then remaining 3 8 2 3. Then A22. A22 means 0. 0 minus 1 2 plus 2. Then minor of 0, that is second row and second column just leave it. Then 5 8 1 3. Then next A23 means 1. 1 into cofactor means minus 1 2 plus 3. Then minor of this 3 1 means the third column and second row leave it. 5 3 1 2. 5 3 1 2 equal to 2 into minus 1 all raised to 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 all cube, you will get minus 1. 3 into 3 9 minus 2 into 8 16 plus 0 into this number, that will be 0, isn't it? Directly we can write 0. Then 1 no need to write. Minus 1 all raised to 2 plus 3, that is 5. Minus 1 all raised to 5 is minus 1. Find out determinant. 5 into 2, 10, minus 1 into 3, 3. Equal to, you will get 2 into minus 1, minus 2 into 9 minus 16, minus 7. This is 0, no need to write. Then minus 1 into 10 minus 3, 7. 2 minus 2 minus 7, 14. Minus 1 into 7, 7. 14 minus 7, you will get 7. That is determinant value